This is a brand new 2011 Lincoln MKS. This four-door sedan has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 3.7-liter V6. Its top features include dual power seats, a premium sound system, steering wheel mounted gear shift, big 18-inch wheels, traction control and stability control systems, side curtain airbags, air conditioning, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Mike Shad Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 7700 Blanding Boulevard in Jacksonville.